The success of invasive species is often facilitated by human activities and habitat preparation. The study focuses mainly on a large annuum originally from South and Central America, which was introduced to Australia in 1935. It has since spread across a great proportion of the country. Changes caused by the livestock grazing industry and the provision of additional water has facilitated the rapid dispersal of the species. It has been observed that the toads often aggregated on or near cowpats, which suggested that the species was somehow benefiting. The study was mostly conducted on Beaches Hill Farm, located on the floodplain of the Adelaide River, 60 kilometres east of Darwin. This area experiences high temperatures year-round with a mean daily temperature greater than 30 degrees Celsius and precipitation concentrated in the wet season between December and March. Cane toads were common in the area, having reached the site 6 years before the study. During the dry season of September 2010, 11 transects were surveyed, each measuring 100 metres long and 200 metres wide, in open pasture where cattle had been present over a 3-night period. Field studies completed surveyed cane toad distribution relative to cowpats, the effects of cowpats on toad hydratic balance, and the effects of cowpats on toad feeding rates. For each toad located inside the transect, body temperature, posture, distance to nearest cowpat within the transect was measured. In the surveyed area, there were 26 toads and 117 cowpats identified. Using the mean size of cowpat, it was calculated that they covered 0.41% of the ground. Despite the low availability of in the area, 17 of the 26 toads were on cowpats. It was therefore concluded that they were more often than not on one by chance. Figure 1 showed the mean body temperature of the toads on cowpats was almost identical to those not, and the mean temperature of cowpat surfaces was similar to those of adjacent ground surfaces. Figure 2 shows the effects of cowpats on toad hydratic balances. Most models showed water loss than gain over the 12 hours. Rates of moisture loss by toads was seen from least to most in the following order: live grass, fresh dung, older cowpats, and soil. Figure 3 showed that the availability of cowpats has a significant effect on toad feeding rates, allowing them to consume more dung beetles and an overall greater mass of prey. The study showed that the cane toad exhibits highly flexible behaviour, which has allowed it to effectively utilise the abundant presence of cowpats. This has allowed the cane toad to colonise the majority of Australia, as it has an ability to derive multiple benefits from the material. Cowpats were found to provide nutritional, hydratic and thermal benefits to the toad. This therefore means that the outcomes of the grazing industry has been a significant element in the colonising success of the cane toad.